Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, hey girl, welcome back. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video, but I know you're not about to watch this whole tutorial and not even subscribe. You know that's not right, so do the right thing. It's 2019. Show your girl some love and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Also, share this video with your homegirls, with your family, with your friends, so they can pop off the summer 2019 with this beautiful passion twist. Shout out to Boho babe. I learned this technique from her, and I will link her video in the description box down below. The hair I used is the FREETRESS Water Wave in the color number 1, and I also used 1 pack of TT30. I tried to get 1B, however all of those damn colors, all of the 1B was sold out. Like, y'all, these passion twists, everybody's got to be doing them because all the hair was sold out. The 1B, this is the only hair in the stores, all the stores that I went to, this is the only hair that was sold out, the water wave type hair. So to get into the video, I'm just going to be showing you how I fluff the hair out, and this is basically how I did it. And it makes fluffing the hair out makes the twists a lot more full and a lot more fluffy, and it just gives the whole look this really beautiful fluffy look that I just love. Also, this color, I think it's called TT30. I'll put it on the screen, but yeah, it's a two-tone color with the little like honey blonde at the end, and I did use a couple pieces of that here to mix it up a little bit. And for each of my sections, I did use 2 pieces of hair, and this is what it looks like after I fluffed it out a little bit. And keep in mind, these are 2 pieces. Now, to start off, my hair was in a old twisted style. So basically, I just took my twist, took them out, applied my conditioner, detangled, and yeah, you're gonna see in a little bit, but my hair was in a old twisted style. And by the way guys, my hair, this is about 4 days after I washed my hair. The next time I do this style, I'm gonna make sure that I do it maybe like 2 days after I wash my hair, because it's just about time for me to wash my hair now anyway. I'm gonna try to wash it with the passion twists in it, and if I do, I'll film it and I'll post it, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. But this was so easy. I recommend you having your hair in like a twist, twisted style, because it was really so easy. And I didn't use a comb to make very neat parts, as you can see. I just yeah, my parts weren't neat at all. For some of them I did use a comb, but for the majority of my head I did not use a comb to make even neat parts. So there I added my conditioner or my leave-in to moisturize my hair. And I'm just detangling with a wide tooth comb. But yeah, as if you didn't really get my point earlier, I was just basically saying that I would recommend you doing this style on after you've like washed your hair and twisted it 2 days later, a day later, because it's really convenient to have it already in twists, and you just go and you take them out. And I found that very easy to do. Here I just added some castor oil to my scalp, some Jamaican black castor oil. I did this just because I hadn't oiled my scalp or greased my scalp since I washed my hair, and just in case the hair was gonna make my own scalp itch, I did it just in case, even though I don't usually get itch a lot from when I do box braids or twists. But yeah, that's why I did that. Then I took the Hicks, I think it's called Hicks Edges edge control, applied that to my hair, and y'all, I had a little bit in there and I ran out, and I ended up having to use some got to be glue styling gel for the rest of my hair. But yeah, I just applied the edge control all around the section of hair. I'm going to split that in two and start to apply the hair and start twisting. So you want to place the hair in the middle of the part, in the middle of the two sections. Use your thumb and forefinger to pinch the left side of the hair, the left section of the hair. Pinch your hair and the extensions together. Then in that motion that I am showing you, you're going to twist both your hair and the extensions in that over motion. Then you want to secure it in the middle, and in that motion you want to twist the other section in like an under motion. And you guys, this was not tight at all, and of course I'm not going to do my hair tight, but it wasn't tight, it wasn't too bad, and I had a lot of room. And there I'm just twisting a little bit more just to make sure it's tighter. Now the next step is to take your left hand and go over your right hand. So the left twist, take the left twist and go over the right twist. That's how you do the twist and prevent it from unraveling. If you try to do it another way, the twists are just gonna unravel. So this is the right way to do it, left over right, and you just continue to twist down. I'm going to slow down the clip a little bit so you can see in the next upcoming clips. And as you twist down, you want to apply your gel or your edge control to smooth your own hair out a little bit and make sure that it blends in a lot more with the extension. And you guys, this was definitely my first time doing a twisting style like this. I definitely know how to braid or cane row or corner, however you say it, but this is my first time doing this. I did get a little bit frustrated at some point because my arm was getting tired, like towards the back of my hair. It really tires your arm out. However, I find that once I followed the technique to a T, it was pretty easy, and the more I kept doing it, the more I got it down. And I'm definitely going to be doing this style once the summer rolls around. This is definitely going to be my go-to. I don't know if Boho Babe, she started this style. I mean, I've definitely seen Senegalese twists and Marley twists, but this is by far the most beautiful curl pattern that I've seen for a twisting style, and I'm definitely gonna be rocking this a lot in the summertime. So I don't know if she started, Boho Babe started it, but girl, if you did, you are a genius, and I'm really loving it. And like I said, yeah, this is definitely my first time doing this style. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Once you start doing a couple twists, you'll get the hang of it, and then it will just be easy. So I definitely don't regret doing this. It took me a couple hours, but I'd rather do this than go to a hair salon and sacrifice my edges, because it's about to be summer and I'm not popping off my summer edgeless, okay? And also, I'm pretty sure this style would have ran me like at least $200 in the salon because of the length. It's 22 inches. And the time it would take to do this. I know for a fact that this would easily be like $200 for me, on top of me buying the packs of hair myself. So it's definitely worth it. Definitely worth me not sacrificing my edges and being broke. Okay, so save your coins, sis, and do this style yourself. It's definitely worth it. Here I am applying some mousse. I got this on sale at CVS. It was cheap, like $3 or something. Just applying the mousse. I did this for every twist that I did. I applied the mousse right after, but you don't have to do this. You can wait until you're done all your twists, and then you just, you know, lather mousse all over your hair. So yeah, you guys, I think this is the one-step method, because I definitely checked out Chev B. Shout out to Chev B. She has a really good tutorial, but she did elastic band step, or a rubber band step, and a crochet step, and I felt like that was triple the amount of work I had to do. So I figured I'll just try this style out, and it's just one step, and it's just you twisting the hair into your twisting the extensions into your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Show your girls some love, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.